Jupiter Lend is the easiest way to passively earn yield on your crypto. In this video, I'm going to take you through step by step on how to make that happen. Step 1, come to the Earn tab. You've already done this job pretty well, it seems. Then you want to see the earning pools that are available. Each row here is a lending pool. You can see the token name, the current APY, the total supply, the earnings, and the TVL. Note that the APY is going to change over time based on borrowing activity. To get started, just choose the asset that you want to supply by clicking on this row. Then enter the amount that you want to deposit and click the deposit button. Your wallet will pop up then, just approve the transaction to proceed. After you've deposited your funds, you can see and track your position right here. It shows you the total deposited, your earnings so far, and the expected annualized return. To withdraw, just click the withdraw button, choose the amount you want to take out, and approve it in your wallet. You'll instantly receive your funds and the earned interest. There are no lockups, and yields might vary a little bit over time. One important note, funds that you put into the Earn vaults cannot be used as collateral. If you want to go and borrow additional crypto, head over to the Borrow tab and deposit your crypto over there. That's it. You're earning the best possible rates. Jupiter Lend will automatically put your funds wherever they're going to get the highest APY within the protocol. Passive earning made simple.